All right, we're going to talk about how to open a file, how to start a project. Everything on Proficy is under projects. You're working with projects, you're saving everything, and these are a list of projects that I have here on mine. Okay? If you look over here, you see all the different project names up there. You will build a project list like this and you'll open them. Okay? What I'm going to do is show you the process of starting a new project. Okay? So we'll come up here, File, New Project. Okay? Right up there, it creates a new project. Select that. Okay? Now, you're going to get a pop-up window. All right. Let's get that pop-up window here. Okay, you got the pop-up window, and right here is the project template. This is the type of PLC that you will be using. You need to set that to the right PLC, and you can see the wide range of PLCs that are out there. Okay? You want to set it so it says GE Intelligent Platforms, Versamax, Nano/Micro PLC. You select that one.
Well, can we get that one more time?
Yeah, we read that one more time.
It's going to be on the thing we bought.
It says GE Intelligent Platforms, Versamax, Nano/Micro PLC. Once you select it, click this button there that says Set as Default. Okay? Click on the Set as Default button right there, and that'll be the name. That'll, at least when you create new projects from then on out, it'll start one of that type. Okay? Next thing you do, go to project name. Type in a name. For instance, Lab 1. And then put your initials. Okay? Got that up there, Lab 1. Put my initials in it. Nano Micro. Okay? Then we can come down to the bottom here and select OK. Now it's going to go and start creating the project. Okay? Now what you'll see now up here in your Navigator window. Okay? You've got all these items up here. And yeah, the red shows up on the screen. Okay? So, these are files you'll be working with. This area right up here, this area right in this area, right here, this is called the Navigator. This will help you navigate your project. If you look down here on the bottom, there's some tabs down here. Okay? Right here. There's your Navigator tab. This block right here is for your variable definition. So we'll tab down here. This tab is for your help file. Okay, remember, everything on here, all your text, all your information is located in help files stored in the program. Okay, so everything you need, right there. Now I'm going to click over here. Okay. That's your variable length. There's nothing up there right now, so it shows as empty. Here's your help. Okay, it shows all the different types of help. Let me go on up there so you can see what kind of help we've got there. All right. And you'll want to look at Logic Developer. There's some information in there for you. Logic Developer, we've got help there. But the best place to get help is up here in the tool chest. Okay? right up here in the tool chest. Show you where to find that. You look at that, right up there, the little red tool chest. If you click on it, your tool chest is going to pop up on the right hand side. There you go, it's a tool chest. Now, we want to select what kind of PLC we've got here. We don't have a 9030, okay? But what we want to do is look at our LD instructions. Okay, scroll down there to our LD instructions. That's what the help we want to look at. So click on that. Now, once you click on that, all the instructions that you will be using start showing up in folders there. Okay? You can see math operations, bit operations, coils, communication, contacts, control, conversions. Work your way all the way down to structures and timers. Okay? We won't be using the micro motion. We won't be using the pack motion. Data table we will skip. Just about everything else, all of those in there, we'll be using them. Okay? Let me go and show you let's find a counter. Okay? Open up the counters. We got two counters, up counter and down counter. Right click on it, display help. Okay? So you right click on the counter and display help. Okay? The help file will then show up in what's called your info viewer up here. If I swing around here, in the info viewer tab, that will show up. You can leave this tab up there and you'll be able to see everything about this. Okay? This is what you'll be using. You don't have a pack system, you've got an other CPU, and it describes the operation of the counter. It describes how you connect it up, what you do with it. We'll also go through there and even show some examples of using the counter in a ladder program. Okay? This question? No? Okay. All right. So, let's go back to our tabs here. I'm going to go back on the bottom and I'm going to select my Navigator tab right down here. Okay? I'm going to show you guys on the screen here so we get it. Come way down here. I want to select that Navigator tab right there where the arrow's at. Okay? That'll bring up my project Navigator. Okay? Got your project Navigator. Now what do we have in the Navigator? Okay? Data watch list, hardware configuration, your logic, reference view, all of these are involved in creating a program. How about questions? Everything we've done right now is to start up a program, create a project, and get everything up and running. Okay? You are now at this point ready to start the process of laying out a program. Okay? Questions on this?